Want to track smarter, train harder, and live healthier, all from your wrist? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In this video, we're checking out the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro, featuring a bright AMOLED display, premium design, and upgraded TrueScene 6.0 health tracking. It also offers smarter AI fitness features and advanced workout modes, all backed by strong battery life for a more reliable everyday experience. What's in the box? Let's see what you get in the box. Inside the box, you'll find the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. Charging cradle, including the charging cable. Quick start guide, safety information, and warranty card. Technical specifications. Material. Display sizes. Performance. Storage. Sensors. Health. Durability. Battery life. Connectivity. Controls. Audio. Operating system. Design fit. Safety features. Colors. Product features. Built with a premium titanium or stainless steel case and sapphire glass, the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro combines elegance with toughness. It's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for daily wear and outdoor activities. Stay on top of your well-being with advanced TrueScene 6.0 plus sensors for heart rate, SpO₂, sleep, stress, skin temperature, and menstrual tracking. Smart AI metrics help you monitor and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Track your workouts with precision across running, cycling, swimming, yoga, and HIIT. Real-time stats, custom workout views, and multi-sport modes make every activity smart and more effective. Optimized for smooth navigation and fast response, the GT6 Pro delivers up to 14 days of typical battery life and up to 8 days under heavy use, keeping you going longer without frequent charging. Device layout and functions. Let's know your device layout. The front of the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro features a clear touchscreen for navigation and notifications, flanked by 2 physical buttons, an upper button for quick access to apps or workout modes, and a lower button for customizable shortcuts or back functions. The GT6 Pro features a heart rate sensor at the center that continuously tracks your pulse and health data. Surrounding it are the speaker and microphone, enabling clear calls and voice commands. The charging area uses magnetic connectors for easy power-up, while the quick-release buttons on both sides allow effortless strap removal or replacement. Now let's explore what your watch can do. The Watch GT6 Pro features 2 main buttons and a rotating crown for easy control. The crown lets users scroll, open apps, or power the watch on or off, while the down button provides quick access to favorite features and activates AI voice when held together. They make navigation smooth and efficient. How to pair. Power on your Huawei Watch GT6 Pro. Select your language and keep it close to your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then install and open the Huawei Health app so your phone is ready to search for the watch. In the Huawei Health app, go to Devices and tap Add, then Smartwatch, and choose Huawei Watch GT6 Pro from the list. When the watch appears, tap to connect and confirm the Bluetooth pairing on both devices. This completes the setup and starts syncing your data. How to charge. Place the Huawei Watch GT6 Pro on its wireless charging dock, ensuring the back of the watch aligns correctly with the charger. Connect the dock to a power adapter, and the watch will automatically begin charging once the icon appears on the screen. How to reset your watch. Resetting the watch using the on-device settings menu. Open Settings on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Reset. Confirm by tapping Reset again. The watch will restart and return to factory settings. Resetting will erase all data, including apps, settings, and personal information. Make sure your watch is backed up via the Huawei Health app before proceeding. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The Watch GT6 Pro features a premium titanium alloy frame with a ceramic back and sapphire crystal front, while the Watch GT5 Pro comes in titanium alloy or nanocrystalline ceramic cases with sapphire crystal, offering slightly smaller or larger sizes depending on the model. Display and sizes. The GT6 Pro has a 1.47-inch AMOLED display at 466 by 466 pixels with up to 3000 nits brightness, whereas the GT5 Pro offers 1.43-inch for 46mm or 1.32-inch for 42mm AMOLED displays with similar resolution and slightly higher pixel density. Battery and storage. The GT6 Pro packs an 867 mAh battery, lasting up to 21 days, 7 days with AOD, and offers 32 GB of storage, while the GT5 Pro provides up to 14 days on the 46mm model, 7 days on the 42mm model, and includes 4 GB of storage. Pros and cons. The Huawei Watch GT6 Pro stands out with its premium titanium build, bright AMOLED display, and exceptional battery life of up to 21 days. It offers advanced fitness tracking, dive support, and strong durability, though its limited app ecosystem and bulky size make it less versatile than full-feature smartwatches. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.